Good morning, students. And today we are going to study here this NCERT math. You see this math magic book. See this NCERT math book. This book available in school. Then all of you take this book. Okay. Then today we are going to study here this first one chapter in this NCERT math book. First chapter, what is long and what is round? Chapter first, what is long and what is round? You see here what is long and what is wrong here. Page number 1. Guess its name. Children love Uncle Miku. See these children, all children love this Uncle Miku. He plays with them every day. Today he has kept different things in his bag and the game is guess its name. Today he kept the different things in this bag and guess this. The game name is guess its names. Okay, guess what I have in my hand. I will tell you what it feels like. See this, Uncle Miku puts his hand in the bag, then sings a song. Afterwards, find out with your eyes shut well, touch it with your hands and tell us how it feels. We guess its names and win the game. They are playing one game and this Miku uncle kept different things in the bag and this game is what its name. Then you find out this what is in this bag and you guess here and pointed at one end, flat at the other, but round like a pipe. Guess what it is. See here, pointed at one end, flat at the other, and pointed at this one end and round like a pipe. Then guess what it is. It is a pencil. You know pencil. It is a flat at the other. One first this top is pointed in and this round like a pipe. And this thing is pencil. Do you also think so? Now you think of a different answer for Uncle Minku's question. See, now it is the turn of this team A to touch and guess. Everybody sings. Tell us how it feels. We guess its names and fill the game. This poem here. A child from team A puts his hand in the bag. Others team have to guess. Then can you help them? Round all round has no corners. Then I can roll it my hand. Guess what it is. See here. Round all round and has no corners. Round all round and has no corners. I can roll it in my hand. Then it is the turn of this team B to fill and guess, and so the game goes on. Now you play this game in team. Put different things in a bag. A cloth is tied on one child's eye. Then she puts her hand in the bag and she touches it and says what it feels like. Her team has to guess the name. Hold a postcard from one corner. If you keep a book on it and how old this book. You see here, roll a postcard to make a pipe and use tape to stick these ends together. Put a book on it. See here two books here. To put a book on it and does the postcard hold it? See how many books it can hold. Two books holder. Here only activity practically part is there. Only you listen. Not writing part is here. See next one, page number 4. Hurry up, be quick. Children are sitting in a circle in the class. See here. Children are sitting in the class in the circle. They are playing this game by clapping and singing. What is long and what is round? Then look around. A bat is long. You see, A bat is long and ball is round. You place this game bat ball. In this bat ball, this bat is long and ball is round. Then look around. All children are singing. What is long and what is around? What is long and what is round? A bottle is long. You know bottle? Bottle is long, and a cap. A cap is round. Then now you play this game in your class. Take turns, name two things, one long and one round. You play this game in your class and you guess what is long and what is round. Then you see here, look around, and do not repeat things which others have named. Then next one point you see here, what rolls and what slide. What rolls and what slides. Look at the picture. Some children are rolling and some children are sliding things in a park. See here, some children are rolling and some children are sliding here things in a park. There are some things which can roll and some which can slide. There are things which both roll and slide. Here some things are roll, some things are slide. Again some things are roll as well as slide. Look at things around you right below. In your notebook you make this column and you look around your and which things are roll, which things are slide and which things are roll as well as slide. Then you write here. Suppose the things which roll bat, the things which slide this bottle, flat surface, and things which both roll and slide bottle, right? Bottle is roll also and slide also. Then in this type of this you make this column in your notebook and write again which things are roll and which things are slide and which things are roll as well as slide. Then you write answers. Okay, bye.